today, did you?
Not you, had my glasses falling out.
Oh man.
Other than that, I think it just fell off the track, I guess.
So your hatch broke.
Yep.
And then the glass fell out.
Exactly, yeah. I'm just
Well, I guess you can get in now, can't you?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to crawl over the subs, pop out the panel.
Yeah, that's a yeah, we need to see that on video. that hatch broke, then the glass broke down. It's down, you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh man, that's wild. Yeah, it's time for you to go home.
Yeah, I'm about to get on this first or break something else.
That thing get down.
One of the things.
Oh yeah.
You're not giving demos if everything goes
Yeah,
correct,
yeah, everything. It wouldn't be a base show if something didn't happen though.
In the morning.
Perfect.
Man, I appreciate the demo, man. Y'all know who I'm with, man. Walking the base head, man. Y'all must drop another video. Y'all know how it goes. Y'all already follow the channel, his channel, I'm sure. But y'all, if y'all don't, be sure to follow Walking the Base Head, man.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
See you back on the next one, man. Appreciate it, brother.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's wild right there, man. That's wild right there.